The new Mitsubishi L200 Triton Savana is a special edition pickup specially decorated for Brazilian off-road enthusiasts. The all-new Mitsubishi Triton 2024, the new 6th generation, will be officially unveiled on July 26. Mitsubishi of Brazil continues to release a special edition that is tailored specifically for the enthusiast. It is called the Triton Savana. 2023 Mitsubishi L200 Triton Savana has off-road accessories around the car, starting with installing a graphite-coated snorkel that can comfortably wade through 70 cm deep water and installing a round black side step in the style of an off-road vehicle. While the front bumper is modified in all black tones, all of them are decorated with a protective material called X-liner. The top of the roof is equipped with a steel roof rack that can support up to 50 kilograms of weight, while the rear pickup is equipped with a scratch-resistant liner. Comes with a carrying case that attaches to the tail light that keeps things from moving around during travel. Enhanced rawness with 17-inch steel wheels wrapped in GoodYear off-road Duratrack tires. The 2023 Mitsubishi L200 Triton Savana will be available in 4 colors: Rally Yellow, Forest Green, Jisan Beige and Fuji White. Inside, the pickup has leather upholstery and dashboard trim in black. The black color predominates in almost all finishes. JBL's multimedia system receives an exclusive opening screen for the version. The Savana emblem is present on the right side of the dashboard. The model was equipped with entertainment systems with a 7-inch touchscreen which can be integrated via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The pickup was also equipped with a digital inclinometer placed on the panel which shows information about the lateral inclination angles, uphill and downhill, as well as an altimeter, ambient temperature and steering angle of the front wheels. In terms of power, it's still a 4-cylinder diesel engine with a capacity of 2.4 liters, a maximum power of 190 horsepower, a maximum torque of 430 Newton meters, transmitted by a 6-speed automatic transmission with an exclusive off-road mode system with 4 modes: gravel, mud, snow, sand and stone. It also specifies an acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 10.4 seconds, a top speed of 190 km per hour and an average consumption rate of 10.3 km per liter.